Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. We're starting the vlog off at the dollar store. We're at Dollarama, which is a Canadian dollar store. We're grabbing some last minute items that we need for my DIY room decor video, which you guys know I do every single year. I think this might be like my 5th year doing that video. I have most of my ideas fleshed out, so I have like a general idea of what I'm gonna do for every DIY, but usually I don't actually know what it's gonna completely look like until it's done. I kind of wing them. Are you gonna grab the chocolates? Oh, yeah. Only one bag?
Well, we don't know yet if those are the ones.
I'm sure you'll really hate having to try the chocolates.
Yeah.
Every year, Sebastian's mom sends us like a package of gingerbread. The first year she ever sent one, she sent him the most amazing box of chocolates, and they had different types of gingerbread, different types of chocolates and stuff, but there was one type of chocolate in there that was so amazing, and I've been thinking about it ever since I tried it, and Sebastian could never figure out what it was. It looked like Lindor chocolates. It was like little round balls in like foil wrapping. When we tried them the first time, I only got one, and I actually had to share it because Sebastian said they were so special. Like, there was a bag of them. He clearly had eaten the rest of them, and he gave me one to share. There was 2 left, and you said they were so special. You told me they were so special.
My mom sent those all the way from Germany.
They were so good. I went on their like German grocery store website and looked through their Christmas selection of holiday treats and saw there's something that looks exactly like these, and they're like some type of chocolate with like praline caramel crunchy stuff inside it, and they were just so good. So we're gonna get his mom to send us some for Christmas this year because I've been dreaming about these chocolate balls ever since I first tried them, and I only got half of one. Your mom sent you that kind of stuff too, right?
Yeah, I mean, this is really like not the really good stuff, but it's all kind of like, it surprised me that they all have the German stuff here.
Are you sure it's from Germany?
Yeah, it says from Germany.
European milk chocolate.
Made in Germany, like me.
We got a new camera lens. It shows so much more in the shot. My other lens I had, it used to like be so close to my face that it would always look like I just had a floating head everywhere. Like you could never really see anything else. But now it looks like I'm a person. I can see some stuff I need right up front. These are cute. Some of these nutcrackers are so funny. Look at this guy. He's like a math professor, then there's got a nurse, a doctor. I love this sweater. This is so cute. I would wear this in real life. It's cool because it's our first time back at Costco in so long.
It's not gonna be cool.
Why?
Because it's a Sunday.
Yeah.
It's pre-Christmas season, and it's Costco.
It's not pre-Christmas. It's not like people are buying their Christmas stuff right now at Costco.
No, they do.
No, they're not there.
Michael's is already so busy.
Because people are making crafts. It takes a while to make crafts. It's not like people are like, oh, I gotta get my turkey. Like, seriously. So we're on our way to Michael's. No, not Michael's. Get out of my brain. So we're on our way to Costco. This is always somewhat of a madhouse at this location. The parking lot is the worst part. After that, you're in the clear. But we have to get new membership cards. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, of course. I was just thinking about it. I was like, I'm here and I'm smiling. People probably think something's wrong with me because everyone's so frustrated about the parking
is just ridiculous. But I'm so hungry, and all I'm looking forward to is eating their fries and gravy because it's the best thing ever. I don't know, do they have fries and gravy in the States at the Costco?
I think so, yeah.
Well, I don't think they have gravy though. I feel like that gravy is just a Canadian thing, but it's so good. I wish it was an American thing too, because I want everyone to understand how amazing fries and gravy is. And if you think about it, you enjoy your mashed potatoes with gravy. I don't know what other potato dishes are good with gravy, but fries and gravy are the best. I feel so much better having eaten, don't you?
Yeah, me too. We
just got some poppies from the, what are they called? Cadets, or this guy selling them outside. Well, not selling them, but like donation based. It was so cute. I think it's so nice when people do stuff like that. They have to stand there for hours and like give the poppies out and stuff. So it obviously is not a very fun job. These are the Christmas crackers we use every year. I love this brand. Tom Smith, they always have the good stuff inside. They have little gifts that you'd actually want, like a little grater, that's really cute, a little whisk, or Sebastian would say a whisker. If you guys saw last year's Christmas vlog, you know what I'm talking about. An urban spice shaker, like just really cute little like knick-knacky things. I love them. This is the color that I'd go for. There they are, that's so cool. So they have everything on display.
I can totally see myself grating the cheese with that.
It's so cute.
Hi, can I get a venti pumpkin cream cold brew with sugar-free vanilla, please? And a venti pumpkin spice latte, please.
You got a hot drink?
Yeah, why?
Because now I want a hot drink. cream.
You didn't say that. I
know,
asked
but
you.
I didn't know you were getting one. Wow.
There we go.
What
You
is
want
it?
mine?
Oh, it looks so good. My whipped cream is really good.
Thought you would just hold it.
Well, I wanted to taste it. Here.
Are you sure you don't want the rest? But
The rest of whipped cream?
yeah, I really hate the cream. Thank you. Thanks so much.
We're on our way to Dollar Tree now. I haven't been there this year yet, but I always like to go there to see what they have for Christmas. I was gonna say Christmas ingredients, not Christmas ingredients. What they have for Christmas DIY supplies. Look at the size of these.
What?
Those are really cool.
Whoa.
Those would be good for like outside. This is like nice quality. Merry Christmas, you paint them. But like, I feel like that's such a Michael's thing. All for $1.25. $1.25. Does this turn on? Okay, I'm not gonna get this one because you're just gonna take advantage of it and call me an elf forever. But how cute is this?
You already told me I have this like, what is it called? This lifelong thing of like not calling you an elf.
Yeah, you're not allowed to call me an elf anymore. Does it look cute?
Yeah.
Is it flashing? Probably not, right?
Not yet. No, what is it?
How cute are these? Like for a tacky sweater party? Look at these ones, are even better. Thumbnail material. I love them all.
Why don't you buy them? You're in the Dollar Tree.
Let's see. They look so good on you.
Yeah, seriously?
They look better in real life. It's so cool. Do you want to get it?
It's like whenever you go to places where there's a lot of people and you don't want them to talk to you.
You just go there looking, don't have it all together. We're walking into IKEA. First IKEA trip of the season. I'm excited, are you?
Yeah.
You're not excited.
I am. I can't stop thinking about the dime.
Yeah, the dime's so good. Have you guys had it before? Oh my gosh, it's like the best. What is it, toffee kind of?
Yeah, toffee caramel.
It's not caramel, it's toffee because it's crunchy. Caramel's like soft.
No, caramel can be hard.
No, I think caramel is soft, it's toffee.
If you make caramel, so sugar in a pot, and you're done with it, it's hard.
No, it's toffee. I'm pretty sure it's toffee.
Okay,
I'm gonna look up the official definition. So it's chocolate covered. I want to call it toffee because it's like a brittle almost. But there's no
caramel.
nuts. It's not caramel. Let's check the packaging and see what it says. I'm pretty sure it's toffee. It's like this crunchy, hard, caramelish toffee.
Caramel. Yeah.
No, I said caramelish
Caramel
toffee.
coffee
I
toffee.
said caramelish toffee. It's so good. It's kind of got this like buttery. No, it's like buttery, crunchy,
Caramel.
burnt sugar taste.
Caramel.
No. It's toffee. I'm gonna check the packaging, but it's so good. So Scandinavian.
I really like the stars.
I love the stars this year. Look at those little ones. Those are so cute. I love the little holes. Look at the gifts. They do a nice job of staging everything. So they do such a nice job of like making everything look so cozy. All you have to do is look for the ugliest pillow at IKEA and there you find me.
Where is it? Oh my god.
It's so weird. I've never known anyone else who had my name before.
They have other pillows here that have not so common names.
Yeah, but like, how do you even say that?
So it's 𝐂𝐈𝐊𝐿, Kristi-Anne,
That's so crazy.
and Beggaranka.
That's cool. For like all your ribbons, I could definitely use that over the holidays.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
That is a good idea. Should totally keep them organized. I like the little ones. I've been telling her. These are like the cheap ones I used to have as a kid, where they have like just a tiny little disc of chocolate.
I think your mom is gonna watch this?
My mom used to buy them, I'm pretty sure, on sale and give them to us for Christmas Day, like with our stockings. And I'm like, that's not the point. Wait, moment of truth, dime. Oh wait, this is orange flavored dime. It doesn't say. Wait, hold on.
It probably doesn't say because
No
you're looking for
description?
toffee and it says caramel.
It doesn't say caramel either. There's no description. It's wrong. They don't know.
You
I'm
lost.
looking it up online. It
You
doesn't
lost.
It's not caramel. It's toffee. It's toffee.
It says caramel.
I'm looking it up. I'm looking it up right
You
now.
lost.
Almond caramel. Who calls toffee caramel? Seriously. We just got back from
IKEA.
IKEA a little while ago. We're gonna make something to eat. I'm not starving because we ate so much stuff today. So we're gonna make, this is what we're making for dinner. Not a really big dinner or anything, but these are so good. If you guys live near Trader Joe's, I highly recommend these. They're vegetable gyoza, so like Japanese dumplings, and they're so yummy. They're also really good with this cauliflower stir-fried rice from Trader Joe's. I like to add an egg and add some green onion to it. While we make this, we're going to listen to what's it called? Crime Junkies?
Yeah, Crime Junkie.
Oh yeah, Crime Junkies. So there's this podcast we listen to called Crime Junkie on Spotify, and it's so good. The one we're listening to right now is called Serial Killer. Oh my god, I guess we're gonna find out more stuff. Damn, they gave it away in the title.
That's why they said they were married for 20 years, but then something came out.
Okay, well, we're not going to give away what happens, but it's called Serial Killer Charlie Brandt. We're only like 10 minutes in, but it's already so crazy. Yeah. So if you guys like true crime, this is such a good podcast to listen to. We also listened to, what was the Vancouver killer's name again? So there's another episode, but 2-part series on a Vancouver serial killer. This guy was wild. Those are 2 episodes that we really recommend, is the Vancouver serial killer one and the Charlie Brandt. Yeah. Charlie Brandt, is that what it's called? We love Kendall Ray too. If you guys like watching YouTube videos about true crime, check out her channel. It's the best.
We watched all of her videos.
Yeah, we watched like everyone.
Pretty much.
They also have a good podcast too. So there's our finished gyoza. We have some soy sauce with some rice wine vinegar. I recommend this as the sauce to dip them in. The rice wine vinegar is really nice with the gyoza. I'm probably gonna take all of my like fall stuff down, which is not that much. I didn't do much this year. I'm probably gonna take all my fall stuff down tomorrow and then start putting up Christmas stuff, which seems really early. I feel a little bit weird about it because even me, someone who is super festive, super into Christmas, I feel weird putting stuff up this early, but because everyone else is doing it and it's good for videos, I'm gonna do it too. So we'll probably put up our fake tree tomorrow, don't you think?
Sure.
I started doing my bedroom, like I added my Christmas pillows that I made last year in my DIY video, and then I brought up the Christmas tree, but I still have to like rearrange the ornaments and put up the rest of my Christmas stuff. I probably won't even eat any of these tonight because I'm just like so full from eating so much stuff today. I love these cookies. They're so good. I don't know why I don't like normal sugar cookies, like the kind you make at home, but these are just like the best.
Just the pumpkin ones or all of the Pillsbury sugar cookies?
I like them all. I feel like they taste all exactly the same. They just look
Well, that's what I was wondering about, because you were like, oh, I really like those the most.
Yeah, no, I mean like just the Pillsbury sugar cookies in general. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the vlog now. It's like almost 11 o'clock, so it's pretty close to bedtime. Just going to get my PJs on and order some Christmas sweaters and then go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm really excited that the holidays are here. It's a little bit more distracting for me and it gives me something to put all my energy into. I started to get my Christmas stuff set up. Not really, I just brought the tree up here, so I still have to like fix all the ornaments and actually plug it in. But I have my holiday pillows on the bed. These are the ones I made last year, but I'm thinking I might move these somewhere else. I'm not sure. I kind of want to incorporate a little bit more pink into the room. And then, oh, I want to show you guys something. So I bought these white flannel, well, more like ivory flannel sheets the other day from Target, and oh my gosh, they're the softest things ever. Around the holidays every year I put flannel sheets on my bed, but usually they're wintry themed and they always have a print on them. And last year, because I loved the flannel sheets I had on my bed so much, which are also from Target, I looked everywhere to find just like plain white flannel sheets and couldn't find them anywhere, so I gave up. And then this year Target happened to have them and I was so excited. The day I found them, I literally drove all the way across the border to go pick up some flannel sheets, and I'm so happy I did. They happened to be on sale too, so they only cost me $18. Probably in like a week or so I will switch my bedding over to my reindeer like wintry bedding, but for now this is like perfect for me because it's still really cozy and soft, but still matches the rest of my bedding. When I do have my like reindeer stuff on there, it doesn't really go with everything else, but I love them so much because they're so Christmassy that I keep them on anyway. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.